Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 11.1. We already know the rule for the pattern of letters L, C and F. Some of the letters from question 1 given above give us the same rule as that given by L. Which are these? Why does this happen? Right. The solution of this question is, let us find question number 1. In question number 1 you see, if we go to question number 1, in question number 1 you will see that the pattern is like this, right? In here you can see in case of T, there are two majestics, right? And you can write here as here we can write here as right here the pattern of letter T has 2n. It is 2n. T and this is 2n. There are two majestic and also it is 3 to V. T and V has 2n formula for majestic, right? T and V. Let us find T and V. T and V. That means T, V, L. That means these three, that is T, L, V. That is T, L, V. The formula for T is there are two majestic, that means it is the formula for 2n. In L also there are two majestic, the formula is 2n, and V also the formula is 2n, right? But in case of other shapes like U, Z, U, E, Z, U, ZU, we are getting in case of ZU, ZU, in case of Z and U, Z, that is U, the formula for Z is 3n and the formula for U is 3n, right? And other numbers, other figures are, you see here, other figures are E, S, R, E, S, R, E, S, R, E, S, R, E, E is like this, E, S, S, R, E, S, A, E, S, A. In case of E, you see in case of E, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 majestics. In case of S, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 majestics. In case of A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 majestics, right? Therefore, you can say in case of E, in case of E, There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 match sticks means 5n. And case of R is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 matchsticks means 5n. And the formula for A is 6 matchsticks. Here you see that is A is like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 matchsticks. 6. For A it has 6 matchsticks. Like A can be let is 6n. 6n. Now the question is, the sum of the letters from question 1 given above give us the same rule as that of L, right? Same rule. Here the formula for L is 2n, where 2 is the constant and n is the variable. Here you see that is the formula for L is 2n, where 2 is the constant and n is the variable. Here also t, that is 2n, 2 is the constant and n is the variable. Here V also 2 is the constant and n is the variable. Now you see the same formula applies in TLV. Why? Because in the shape like T, it has only two matchsticks, right? In case of T, it has in case of T, it has only two matchsticks. Two matchsticks. Two matchsticks. In case of L, it has also two matchsticks. Two matchsticks. Two matchsticks. And in case of V, in case of V also, there are two matchsticks. Two matchsticks. That means if the number of matchsticks is same, then the formula will be same, right? That is, from here we can conclude that if the question was which are these? These are T and V, right? T, V are the other figures which give us the same rule as that of L, right? This is the answer. T and V are other letters, are other letters, other letters which give us the same rule, give us the same rule, give us the same rule as that given by L, as that as that given by L, that given by L. Same rule, right? Which are these? I already told you T and V are the other letters which give us the same rule as that given by L. Why does this happen? The question is, why does it happen? Remember, why does it happen? Remember that the formula does not depend on the shape, depend on the shape of the letters, shape of the shape of the letters. The formula does not depend upon the shape of the letters, but depend on the number of matchsticks. Number of matchsticks. Right? That is the formula depends on the number of matches. That is the reason. Why does this happen? The formula does not depend on the shape of the letters but depend on the number of matchsticks. Here you see, in case of Z and U, there are 3 matchsticks, and in both cases we are getting the formula 3n. Right? In case of E and S, you see that there are 5 matchsticks needed to form E and S. Therefore, it is 5n. And in case of A, there are 6 matchsticks and the formula is 6n. Therefore, the formula does not depend on the shape of the letters but depend on the number of matchsticks. This is the solution of question number 2. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.